are certain persons who who neither add meaning to the life nor add meaning to the death. And there is second category of persons who may add meaning to the life, but they may add meaning to the death. There are very rare kind of persons who add both meaning to life and death. Because it doesn't mean how long a person lives. It matters how he lived. Whether it is admirable, yes. Followable, yes. Imbibable, yes. To be implemented, yes. You may understand Mr. Madhukar Shetty being spoken. See, almost I can say that no good person could have refused or opposed his personality, because we find it is totally impossible to find a person who doesn't have enemies, which they call in Sanskrit as Ajata Shatru. No. Even gold also, diamond, they find fault. But trigonometric calculation or simultaneous calculation comes into play to find fault with Mr. Shetty. As Mr. Ahad pointed out, nowadays crowd gathering or participation in a function may be due to compulsion, fear of superior, attendance, maintaining annual confidential records, so many things. But I can swear from the nucleus of my heart and say, each and every person who has come for this function has been on voluntary basis. And if you want to prepare a list, kindly put me at serial number 1. See, now the question of disappointment over the absence of Mr. Madhukar Shetty, yes, it is a fact. But the leaf which we have to take out of that is how strong we are made by Mr. Madhukar Shetty. Rightly and justifiably, we remember our experience with Mr. Madhukar Shetty, who is termed as Divangata Madhukar Shetty. He actually, I don't know, sometimes mechanically and casually we may refer so many deceased persons as Divangata. That means Diva means heaven, Gata means who has gone to heaven. He definitely justifies that name. Definitely, if any person who has a VIP seat in heaven, it is Mr. Madhukar Shetty. See, I had the occasion of meeting Mr. Madhukar Shetty when I was special judge of the 23rd Additional Court, which was called as Special Judge, Special Court or Lokayukta Court as the case may be. But when I came back from Bellary to assume, I was not knowing that it is a tough task. But there were some 3 to 4 days wherein I had a chance of knowing full about Mr. Madhukar Shetty. Then I was not under the impression that he is transferred or going to some further studies or something. And I was feeling very much for not having seen him. Somehow I collected the name in Bidar, which is my first appointment. I collected the name. I never used to meet any other the police officers for the very reason not to embarrass them and also not to embarrass myself. But I volunteered. I was on my toes to meet Mr. Madhukar Shetty. I got the connection and I requested him, sir, I am on my toes to see you. Then don't worry, sir, I will come to you. He came And I do not know, in mythology you say Ajanubahu. That means whose hands stretch up to almost knees. He is called Ajanubahu. And his hands, see, I think uh, when I shook hands, I can say, definitely it could make even a good person nervous. A grip that showed that person was determined. He believes what he does. He was the example of walk the talk. He talks only what he talks. He walks only what he walks. There is no what you call as a हाथी के दंता दांत बताने के अलग और खाने के अलग. It is not like that. But one thing is definite. Man is known by his friends. Whoever was mentored by Mr. Madhukar Shetty, whoever associated himself with Madhukar Shetty, either as a colleague, or as a friend, or as a subordinate, or as whatever it is, the presumption is that he will be good. Or he will become good and he will be asset. Because the Madhukar Shetty's friend cannot be bad. I am not exaggerating. I oppose flattering. But still, when it matters accepting the truth, I am bound to accept. Insofar as in that meeting, Mr. Madhukar Shetty told, Sir, I thought of going, I am going, and I have seen you. I wish I would have stayed it, but it is too late. And thereafter, after completion of this Lokayukta work, I was posted to Tumkur. By that time, whenever he used to come to Bangalore, he had his generosity and courtesy to meet me. And he was the person who realized the helplessness, frustration against what you call as unwanted, rather provoking acts. If such being the case, and he used to console me. As a matter of fact, he used to tell how good of his subordinates, which included Mr. Ahat and other officers also were. And also, because a judge has nothing to do for interaction with the police officers. But somehow, a coordinated or concerted effort is required for the betterment of the society. He was above Magsaysay. He was above Magsaysay award. And second thing is, we have Mother's Day, Father's Day, Brother's Day, and Grandfather's Day, Grandchild Day, Daughter's Day. But I don't know, people of knowledge will know it, whether we are having any anti-corruption day, or Bhrashtachar Virodi Dina. If it is not there, 17 December is ideal for it. See, when after the completion of my tenure at Lokayukta Court, I went to Tumkur. It was a big building and I was living alone. One day, after returning from state, he came with his young daughter. I was really shocked and surprised. And whenever I met him, I don't know, I was short of becoming emotional. And I used to express my disappointment or what you call as frustration about so many acts which were going on in society. But he taught me, I can tell you, I am elder to him in age, but he taught me how to receive things. And our sudden reaction may alert the wrongdoer. If you want to prevent the wrongdoer from doing or continuing wrong, you should never show your emotions. Lesson number 1. And also, see, when he used to tell most disappointed or frustrating experience, he never used to shout and speak loud. He used to just raise his head and tell with so much of firmness, hammering the table like that without any cause. It was just like lion rearing it, rather lifting its head. You think just those who have interacted with him very close, you can find. And at the same time, he was, there are five features of a great learner. He was proud himself of being called a learner, even from a group worker, from colleagues. He waited for an opportunity to know things. Out of the points which we spoke, if any important or knowledgeable thing was there, he used to repeat and ask a question. How? Come on, explain. You may not believe, even when I became registrar recruitment in the year 2016 of High Court, he came. But one thing I do not know, that mesmerizing personality was there. When he promised that he would be coming, I used to wait 1 or 2 days. And also, I tell you my activity, whenever he said, at our house I used to tell, ಇವತ್ತು ಮಧುಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಲೋಕಲ್ ಒಂಥರ ಕ್ಯಾಶುವಲ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನ್ as a registrar chamber, I used to tell my PS, Mr. Madhukar Shetty will look at me. And the second time also I used to answer. And third time when I call her for some other things, she used to say, good sir, Madhukar Shetty ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. See, this tells giving respect in absence. And he is a step, but he was programmed to be straight. Programmed to be straight in steps, straight in talk, straight in action. It is not that simply he wanted to be a super cop. If anybody wants to become super cop, he is the example. But this, right from day one, I believe this casteism and corruption, they are the psychological cancer of the society. In this connection, he was a pioneer in the movement of anti-corruption, a crusader for preventing corruption, and he was a great oncologist in conducting surgery. He used to tell legal points that made me to raise my eyebrows. He used to say some particular thing. I don't want to reveal the content. I don't want to tell the content. He used to say, sir, when a particular set of facts come into consideration, what is your feeling? Then I said that set of facts, if they constitute offense, one has to take cognizance of it. One has to take note of it. He said, yes, this unwanted. You take the set of facts, so many malfacts which being in and around the society. And I also interacted with one police officer. He said that, sir, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ನಡುಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಎಸ್, ಐ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. He never used to stare at them. Yes. Miss Ahad mentioned regarding that harness judge or something. I will give you the example within 2 or 3 minutes. Once somebody came to me that I was offered some award and said that it was a momentum plus also a cash award of 1 lakh rupees. Then I said, why this award? On that day I was in need of 5,000 rupees. And all my difficulties and my expression I used to express before. Then there were DSPs, either Mr. Ahad or Mr. Murthy or Mr. Girish or Mr. Ranjan Kumar. I saw all of them as my brothers. In this direction, I tell you, some 150 years back, a gift was challenged, and I will tell you the relevance of this example. Gift deed was challenged on several grounds. One of the main ground was the donor has stated that the donee, he had love and affection towards donee. That great judge writes, love and affection need not be the resultant of blood relationship. I may like Mr. Ahad, I may like Mr. Gupta, I may like Mr. Chakravarti more than my siblings. As a matter of fact, the present day example is there are too many enmity or enviousness between the siblings. Otherwise, where was the necessity of filing partition suits? Murder for gain, one chapter is there in the investigation. Murder for property dispute. And even if the spouse were to be nearer or dearer, why divorce cases? Why 498A? Why 3 and 4? Why 304B? So many things. It's alright. It is not a platform to discuss about it. But what I am telling is, I don't say that why you are giving me the award. As I told you, that day I was in need of 5,000 rupees. And I said, no sir, they are recognizing as a honored judge. If that is honored, then I am also known for some humorous outbursts, which my friends like. And I said that, then have one glass of liquid water. Then he said, water is liquid. There is no necessity to call water as a liquid water. Then I said, judge means honesty is presumed. If you call a person as a honest judge, there must be some wrong in him. A person, whether an official or a judge, he is molded for serving. And now the question is, what, see, at Tumkur when we visited, Mr. Madhukar Shetty visited, he asked me, sir, everything is okay, but you are exposing yourself to risk. You are very casual. And he said, my reaction to him was this, sir, nowadays you can understand, if you are on a good track, casualty is an order, escape is accident. Let me meet with accident. See, now the question is, what is this? See, to tell you the example of the spiritual aspect of what you call as corruption or something, you have an offense which you call as acquisition of disproportionate assets over known source of earning or income. Now the question is, this proportionate, the act may be of 1998, earlier 1990 Corruption Act and other things, we will set aside, but proportionate means what? The proportionate, this Lokayukta zinc or something, you have a formula of correcting for food, how much, and marriage of his daughter, this and that, and see, so many things happen, is it not so? A person may be advised not to eat even 1 spoon of salt. He says that his consumption was 2 kgs of mutton every week. Nothing. We shall not go into the aspects of defending cases and the legal matters now. We are for a pious job, we shall confine ourselves to the domain of piousness. Then what happens? Proportion means what? I may earn 2 crore rupees for my entire lifetime. And what is my requirement? If we are considering everything, every income, our requirement may be X quantity of wheat, that is in the flour form, Y quantity of vegetables, Z quantity of medicine, A quantity of currency, and few hours of megawatts of power in order to watch TV, gossip and all those things. And if we calculate entire thing, it may come to 1 crore 20 lakh or something for the entire year. May not be hereafter, it may be some 3 or 4 or some 10 lakhs at the most. And the balance, you have to leave and go. As I say in Kannada, ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೇ, ನೀವು ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನೇಟ್ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, 2 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು 10 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಸೊ ಆ 8 ಕೋಟಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದು, ಆ 2 ಕೋಟಿನೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗಿರೋದು ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ 2 ಕೋಟಿ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಜಮೀನ್ ಕರ ಇದು ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ 1 ಕೋಟಿ. ಆ 2 ಕೋಟಿಲೇ 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗೋದು 1 ಕೋಟಿನ, ಇಲ್ಲ 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9 ಕೋಟಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್, you have great, so that means to say, this kind of spirituality, this kind of spiritualness was a mixture. He used to go as a cleaner, whether for anti-Naxal or police academy or recruitment or foreign abroad, Lokayutta. So he did not left behind, he did not leave a single stone unturned to rise to the occasion. As I say, ಅವರು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೇವೆಯಾಗಿ ಸುದ್ದಿಯಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸದ್ದಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಮಾಡದೆ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡುದು. ಸೊ ಈ such being this case, when you find good things, you remember Madhukar Shetty. Nowadays, nobody takes the examples of, see how ruler, see I tell you one thing, stand by example. If you salute a person, if you offer salute by crushing your right foot like a hammer to the earth, that doesn't show the affection. Affection must emanate from the heart. That's what they say in English. Walk a while without style, I will tell you what a kind of man you are. So it is not possible. See, we may be good, we may follow, but even those who did not see him can see him through his way of life. At the end of the day, I can only borrow a stanza from a Hindi song. क्या तारीफ करूं उसकी जिसने तुझे बनाया. I should thank only the Almighty because he has processed and assembled such a wonderful piece. As I told you, I don't believe in flattering. I get embarrassed even to accept, and because having disappointed in many walks of life, our mind does not permit. But here they see, he was tested by time and proved by performance. He was beyond awards, beyond names, beyond so many precious things. On the other hand, if any award is given, it is a respect to that award, not for Mr. Madhukar Shetty. That's what, see, as I commence in my address, it is not by duration life is earned, and on the other hand, it is by stay of life. You don't remember Dhritarashtra, you remember Abhimanyu, though he died at the young age, because of the way of life he did. He was not a nervous soldier. Under such circumstance, people, in order to feel that now station hodre, see, prevention of corruption is not only with reference to phenolphthalein powder, sodium carbonate solution, pink color, red color, blue color, nothing. It is something beyond that. He was something beyond. According to me, see, it is not only touching the body, we feel the presence. Touching the magnet, we can feel the presence of Mr. Madhukar Shetty. I feel, though it may be 50th, he will never go. And his followers or his admirers, irrespective of their stature in the society, different walks of life, they thrive because 5 Pandavas was better than 101 Kauravas. We shall not count by the number of patrons who have assembled for his respect. Each one has the capacity of spreading the fragrance for years together. Let this movement go on. If each of us contribute our might, whether it comes to light or not, we are not concerned. We don't want to have what you call as a blowing trumpet of our glory. If you go on spreading the message, may not be through pamphlets, may not be through words, through our acts, because actions speak louder than voice. We shall also be try to walk the talk like the legend, Mr. Madhukar Shetty. As a matter of fact, let me confess, when I was invited by Mr. Ahad, I did not tell him the other day. I was on my toes. At least, only thing saying that at least I got a good platform to speak about a good person. ಈ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗಾದೆ, ರೋಗಿ ಬಯಸಿದ್ದು ಹಾಲು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಹಾಲು ಅಂತ. I felt like that. And also, today, apart from their able duties as police officers, I came to know about knowledge of Mr. Arun Chakravarti, Mr. Harsh Gupta, whom I had seen. And you said Bidar. I finished my tenure from Bidar. Then I told Harsh Gupta went there as a DC. So I had the picture of earlier pre-Harsh Gupta period and post-Harsh Gupta period. So also in Chamarajanagar, I followed, he left, I went there. May not be as a deputy commissioner, other things. Good things are being done. As when Shivaji was born, his father Chahaji gave fragrance, kasturi. That doesn't require advertisement. It grows. We should only hope and pray. The movement ignited, or movement strengthened. Rather, the movement was there, ignited. The movement that was strengthened by Mr. Madhukar Shetty shall not be an example of spirited beginning, did not last long. Let it grow in volumes together, and I wish you my gratitude. I convey my gratitude to you, and once again, thank you very much for organizing this sacred gathering and giving me an opportunity to express my feeling. Thank you very much.